Hey everyone, it's Ed at All You Cars. We are back with another Ford Galaxy 2014 2.2 Tdci automatic, 200 bhp model, titanium X, so it's top of the range. It's done 71,000 miles and it is absolutely crack on. Worth noting that this is not a power shift gearbox vehicle, and this is the proper reliable AWF 21 gearbox, only found in the 2.2 200s. Hypnotic silver is a great colour. The spec on this thing is brilliant. It's got your xenon lights, it's got corner lighting, got the twin spoke 17-inch alloys with Michelin tyres all round, power folding mirrors, big glass roof, privacy glass. Very, very, very clean and straight on the bodywork. It's got reverse camera, parking sensors all round. Your reg number is there for any checks you may wish to carry out. It's just had a new cam belt. Will come fully serviced, comes with an MOT, any advisors are always rectified. You won't find a better Galaxy than this, I don't think. You get to see the inside. It's not your typically abused MPV. A couple of stone chips on the bonnet, but as you can see there, barely noticeable. It's got the biscuit leather inside. I'll show you that in a sec. Let's show you the boot. We have got the 7 seats up, so the boot's not very big at the minute. But if I can do it one-handed, I'll show it you all folding down. So you've got a bit of load space there for when all your 7 seats are up. Obviously you wouldn't have that parcel shelf in there. But let me have a go, see if I can do it one-handed. No. Let me just move that. Oh yes. Right. Sorry for that bit of drama. But there you go, I did that one-handed. And I will show you another one now I've got the hang of it. He says. Oh, you really need both your hands. Made a hash of that, but it is very easy, usually. Anyway, massive boot when you've finally got your seats down. It is a doddle, 2 hands. You'll have that done in 10 seconds. Got rear blinds in this one. So I'll try and do this one-handed as well, see if I can make a fool out of myself. There you go, look at that. So parcel shelf rear blinds. All the kit, and all very clean, no funny smells, no wear or tear. Just very nice. Beautiful biscuit leather. It's perforated in the front, not in the back. Front only because of the heated and cooled seats. This is going well, this video, guys. Drop us a comment, give me some stick. I'm only human, I do make mistakes. But got family pack with the rear tables, ISOFIX in all 3 seats. Again, rear blinds, electric windows, storage in the floor, and just overall, one of the best 7 seats on the market in my opinion. Front seats are perforated leather because they are heated and cooled. Electric seats with driver's memory. Just there, look. We've got folding mirrors, power windows, all in proper nice condition. Auto locks and wipers, cruise control, 71,000 miles, lane assist just there. It gives you blind spot assist as well, which is a cool feature if you've never had it. Let's start the car up. You see there's no warnings, no nasties. It really works, as you can hear. So there you go, 31 miles range. We are generous with our fuel here. But yeah, no warnings, all illuminating go as they should. Heated front and rear screens. We've got FM, AM, DAB radio in the front, navigation, CD and auxiliary input, including Bluetooth audio, which a lot of people ask us for. It's amazing how important that is to people. Of course, Bluetooth telephone, and your reverse camera there, look. Dual climate control. It has got rear vents, so it may have rear climate, I'm not sure, but yeah, you can check that. Fully automatic, heated and cooled seats. I think that's 3 times I've mentioned that now, look. They're all working. Choose how I want them to work. Cup holders. USB and auxiliary in the armrest. Handbooks in the glove box. All pop-out rear windows on the Galaxies. That's what these do. The rear quarter-light windows do pop out, and then you've got all your overhead storage, including your mirror to keep an eye on those rear seat passengers should you need to. Very rare to find one of these like this condition, this mileage, this history, and especially with the 2.2 200 bhp with the reliable gearbox. Give us a shout, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do require finance, we can help with that. We work with a number of brokers and lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.